welcome to my channel again, and as you can tell that I have a setup going on here. So yes, so I'm going to do a 50th wedding anniversary setup here. So now I'm going to do the backdrop first and then the table after the backdrop. So yes, I already did the white backdrop, and then since the setup is gold, white and red, so I'm going to top this one off on the white here para may gold effect siya. So I will attach this using a pin or a safety pin. So we'll see which one will work better. Now I'm back for the table setup. Guys, for materials and measurements, please check info box and everything will be listed down there. This satin fabric, I got it from secondhand store for $7 and I cut it into 3 parts for the table skirting. As you can see here, I already attached the 2 cutout fabric to the end of the table because I'm not gonna start my skirting on the middle part. I will start my skirting on the far left side of the table. So here I'm overlapping the 2 fabric so that it's not noticeable where the skirting begins. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to back split table skirting. This technique is a bit tricky, and if you are planning to do this kind of skirting, please avoid using a satin fabric because a satin fabric it's not a friendly to use. It is a slippery kind of fabric. I will recommend to use a cotton polyester kind of fabric. This skirting, all you have to do is create your back split. Depend on the size that you want. In this video, the length of my back split is approximately 4 inches. And to have even back split, just measure your previous split using your fingers and pin it securely to the tablecloth. There are different ways to do this kind of technique, but I think this way or my way is the easiest way to follow. If you believe so, please comment down below. And by the way guys, if you are my table skirting viewers or if you have watched my previous table skirting videos, please let me know your thoughts on those videos, and I would love to hear from you guys. And also guys, let me know what do you want me to do next for my table skirting video. So yes. In this clip, right here, I'm going to show you guys how to overlap the two fabric so that the pleats that we made are pretty much look the same and people won't notice any difference of your box pleating. After overlapping the two fabric, just continue doing the back split with the same procedures until you reach the front end of the table. So here, just tuck in the end bits of this fabric by pinning it to the tablecloth, then do the back split again. So yes. And to the very pointy edge of the table, just look closely how I do this technique. I pin the fabric closely to each other and repeatedly do this 4 times. It's like I created a half flower design just to add accent on the table. So yes. And do the same on the other side of the table. So guys, we're nearly finished of our table setup and you will see later guys how my setup go with all my decors and everything. So yes. And ta-da! Here's my finished back split table skirting. So this table setup that I did is for my parent-in-law's 50th wedding anniversary. And all you can see in this setup are all my ideas, the decors, the design, the food, and everything. And planning this kind of setup, even though it is small, but it takes so long to gather all the materials because some of the materials in here I bought it online and some others are from the shop. So yes. But anyway guys, I am happy of the result of my setup and at the end of this video I inserted the clip for our family photo shoot that I arranged as well. So alright guys, that's it for my video and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Alright guys, thank you for watching and we'll see you again next time right here on my channel. Bye guys! Mwah.